What day is it even? 17th. It's the 17th of November, and I've been debating whether I'm gonna vlog or not. So this is totally an experiment. I have no life. We're always home. We've literally been very strictly at home this whole entire pandemic. But I figured it's a more candid way. I don't know. No one watches my channel, and that's fine. But it's just a more candid way of putting stuff out there without having to always be playing with my hair. That gets exhausting, especially because I honestly know what works for my hair. TGIN natural, really. And it's nice to sometimes just do my hair and not have to worry about filming it. I hate my office chair. My office chair is crap. I got it for $10 off Facebook Marketplace. I mean, it's not bad quality or a crap chair, but it's crap because I can't sit on it comfortably and I get a backache. And now that we're in quarantine, we're always sitting at home. I mean, I move, etc., but I've always worked from home. I haven't liked my chair in a long time, so I think quarantine is a perfect excuse to say I'm always home sitting so that I can change my chair. So I found like a really cute wood chair, an Ikea chair. I love a wide array of things, but minimalist wood chairs also. So this is my outing. Go get the chair. This is my cute chair that I got from Ikea, but I can't use it because it's missing screws on the bottom part. And it's wobbly and defective. So for now, it sits in the corner. Oh Lord, look at my morning face and morning hair. This is my hair after waking up and not doing anything to it. I'm gonna be filming and doing wash days today. But I called Ikea with regards to my cute chair, and they're gonna send me replacement screws. So important. The Sleeping Beauty. Hey, baby cat. Mess of a house because I am not in the mood to clean anything. Filming in the kitchen. Oh my god. The deck, the boys' gardening project via Zoom. And what it's looking like outside in San Francisco right now. I received the camo Yugo Natural head wrap. Oh my god, they have perfected their elastics, and the sturdiness of the elastic band is incredible. I hadn't tested this out. I love it. It makes me look less insane. Love the big knot. I haven't worn it properly, but the elastic is amazing. Wonky curls. My super tiny, when I tell you it's tiny bathroom. See? I don't have enough product. TGIN, 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 TGIN. You'll find a lot of TGIN in there. And you find... Oh Lord. Another section with more TGIN. So when I tell you I'm TGIN obsessed, it's sincere. I'm prepping myself, pre-pooing my hair, about to pre-poo my hair, and I'm about to film a video that you guys will probably have already seen. No, actually, you might not. Wait, no, you will have seen it. No, you won't have seen it. Anyway, I'm prepping for a video experiment where I want to use the avocado cream mask by Ikea Naturals that did not work for me at all, did nothing for my hair, and just see if I can add stuff to it. This is for the vlog section. My family is bullying me. Holy shit. This is going in my video. This is going in my video. I am so not loved. I filmed my video with the avocado cream DIY experiment. So now I'm filming a second video about mixed chicks and blow drying my hair, and it's taking forever. So we'll see what the verdict is. But I thought a little behind the scenes of the process, which is tedious. And normally I don't film this. We'll see. The lighting is awful. I should have done it with my good lighting. But I am loving my hair. Mixed chicks, you are a miracle worker. There is nothing like a good wash day and results. It just makes my day. Look at this. Look at this little curl. Hey. But one thing. you will see little gaps. I try to hide it. I try to hide it. It's kind of like my Achilles heel right now. I grew up in Spain. I moved to the US at 14, and then I've been back and forth to Spain in the south of Malaga. And the last time I was there, 2004 through 7, and then we came back, and that was it. I'm not moving back. They completely destroyed my mouth. And once I came back to the US, I was looking at thousands upon thousands and thousands of dollars that I did not have. And I made the mistake that for some other procedures to go to a cheaper dentist that also destroyed my mouth. And 2015, I was losing my mind because my entire mouth was literally falling apart and I couldn't afford to put it together. I just couldn't. And a cousin of mine that I hadn't seen since childhood but was friends with on Facebook and lives in Seattle saw me just lose it on Facebook one day. Like, I wrote a post. Normal, I wasn't going to, but so I wrote this angry rant on Facebook that I'd had it with teeth and this is what's going on and I'm losing my mind. And he jumped in and said, contact me, let's talk, I can help you. And long story short, he has been saving me, stabilizing my mouth. Just to let you know how bad it was, every single tooth in my mouth is fake except for these down here. And this very ugly one here, which this one, super ugly, is my real one. And he's been stabilizing my mouth. And so part of the foundation and the laying of the work between last year's work and this year was to remove this tooth. I've been dealing with all of that, and the last time I saw my cousin was in January of this year, where we did some more work. He said I have to remain toothless for a while until I can go back up to Seattle, and the plan was for me to go for like 2 to 3 straight weeks and be there so we can just knock it all out and give me a mouthful of teeth. And then the pandemic happened and I'm stuck toothless. So I try to speak in a way where it can't be seen. Not because I really care, but it bothers me. It bothers me because it's like, and I used to smile wide and now it's like a practice. My insane smiles. So there you go. At least knock on wood and thank God for my cousin, because when I went to him in January, my mouth would not have been stable enough for me to make it through a pandemic at all. Whatever needed to be done that was dire was done, and so now I wait. Doing my yoga and do the back. Hanging out with Matt. Next question. I sometimes go back to our channel. I'm Taylor Ann. And I'm Lorianne. And together we are Matt Girls. Don't hide, you're gorgeous. Today is the day my daughter, you're not in the frame right now.
I know, but I don't trust you.
She gets a tattoo, her first tattoo. And we're in Berkeley because I have to buy a damn step stool.
Oh, Janice is calling me. Turn that off. Hello?
No. She's so gorgeous. By the way, this is Thursday, the 19th.
Stop vlogging.
Friday, November 20. We have a work Zoom meeting this morning and doing a little bit of work before the Zoom meeting. Also researching roller skates, just because I figure, get good outdoor skates and get out of the damn house and roller skate in my neighborhood, if anything. I tend to fall into funks quite often these days since the pandemic. It affects me, and I figured roller skating, spur of the moment, if I feel like I need to get exercise in, but I'm being lazy about the elliptical, then get off your ass and get your skates on your feet and get out of the house. I need to move more, I need to stay busy, and I need to stay physical, and I need to have things that are just for me. Day 3 on the Mixed Chicks styling cream. Amazing. I love it. I don't know if that video has gone up yet or not, but actually, good hair days really, really, really make my day and make me feel good and keep me sane. Oh, seriously. Playing with it, touching it, fluffing it. I made it on my elliptical. Watching Station 19. Didn't know there was a Grey's Anatomy. Is it Grey's Anatomy? Yeah, thing. But I'm actually enjoying it. I'm in total scuzzy mode. Can they show? Yeah, I have acupuncture needles also here, and 2 on the nape of my neck. Been having migraine, clogged sinuses, and my husband, who's an acupuncturist, is treating me. One of my needles fell out. God damn it. This is what happens when I walk with needles to the bathroom. One from here fell out. I'm about to film the conclusion to the Mixed Chicks Curl Sculptor video. And I thought I would come in, first of all, properly lit and with makeup on post acupuncture session so I don't look so beat up and gross. Oh my God, my entire here congested, here I was congested, here I had non-stop pain that would not go away. It felt like I wanted to reach into my spine and rip it out to make just all this pressure stop. And honestly, what is it? I'm rambling. It's like an hour or so after my treatment and I feel human again. It's amazing. So thank you to my husband. Oh, I got my roller skates, but I'm not going to show you because I'm actually going to do a whole video dedicated to them. The Sure Grip Boardwalk skates, but I am still crazy obsessed with the Moxie lollies because they're so pretty. And I want them, but apparently in 2020 everyone's gone bonkers and wants to roller skate. I've been roller skating for a few years. I know how to roller skate from what I learned as a kid, and back then no one thought of padding, well, especially in Spain, padding and safety and helmets. I was unattended with a friend and I pretty much spent hours falling. And I don't fall anymore, but I know how to skate, but I don't know any tricks or anything. So hopefully I can learn through the University of YouTube and become better at it and stick with it. Oh my God, I've been hula hooping. I've been jumping on my trampoline. I've been on my elliptical. I do yoga daily and it's not enough. I need other sources of like release, especially during the pandemic. I guess something happened on TikTok or roller skaters got TikTok famous or went viral and now everybody wants to roller skate. So 2020 in the roller skating community, they're calling it the big roller skates shortage. And the factories are backed up. A lot of times they have to close down due to COVID. So basically, people this year who had ordered early in the year got their roller skates, sometimes ranging from 8 weeks to 16 weeks, complaints coming in at 24 weeks. Now, if you order now in what month is it? End of November 2020, maybe, and it's not a guarantee, you'll get the skates spring of 2021. So I'm glad I have my Sure Grips, and I figure by then, whatever I spend on the lollies should have like been okay. I wasn't planning to talk so much. I sound insane. My screws arrived. So hopefully this chair will be worth it. I remember when I started this vlog is when I bought the chair. Oh, perfect. Doesn't shake anymore. This vlog experiment started with me talking about my Ikea chair. That chair is super cute, but what was I thinking getting a wood chair? I really don't know if it's going to be comfortable long term. Why is this even important? It's not important. Anyway, I ran errands with my daughter. We did a lot today. We covered a lot of ground, and I thought at some point I was going to start filming a little bit to have some footage where I'm out of the house. The day got crazy. I was having too much fun with my daughter to remember to film. And then when you're out in the world, we wear gloves and then the masks and then all of that. It was just too much. And then I got a bad headache, a splitting headache. I came home, I'm pretty much passed out the remainder of the day. So I'm getting my second wind now that I feel alive again in the evening. Catching up on the day's plans. I just filmed a video on a hair routine gone wrong, which explains this portion of my look. But the day ended on an incredible note that has me speechless and still processing it. So I'm really not connected, I don't know, to the enormity of it, to the emotion of it. It's big for me because if you know me and you've watched all my videos, all of them, I don't think there's one video where I don't mention TGI Natural. And I'll be honest, every time I film a hair video, I pretty much compare everything to the high bar that TGI Natural has set with the miraculous effects that it has on my hair. I love the brand. I interact with them on social media. Just the fact that they include me in the TGIN family is the biggest thing ever, biggest high ever, coolest thing ever to be part of that community of super cool chicks with the best hair brand ever. And they had a giveaway and I thought it'll be fun to enter. I'm not going to win. I never win these things. And waking up from my nap in the most incredible pain. It was a really, really bad migraine that had me nauseous, that had me like crying. I could even barely fall asleep to escape the pain. I fell asleep a little bit, had a tiny nap, wake up. I'm like, okay, I'll go on my phone, which I shouldn't have done because it glares bad for my eyes when I have a migraine. But I'm glad I did because TGIN had tagged me in a story. I'm like, I'm tagged in a story. Why am I tagged in a story? I won the giveaway grand prize of $1,000. It was unexpected. Thank you. Was just in an emotional rut today, and to wake up to that news from my favorite hair brand, that just their kindness has been more than enough to have won that prize, especially during Christmas time. So thank you. That was really beyond amazing. I mean, even if I had won a serum from them, that would have been amazing. But this is huge. So a good way to end this little vlog experiment. I don't know when I'll be back for another vlog, but there will be more hair videos coming up. There will be skating videos coming up. And hopefully, from the bottom of my heart, better days for everyone coming up. And so with that, thank you. Oh my god, I'm so annoying. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for more, and ciao for now.